Hey guys, what is up? And today, I'm sorry if you can hear annoying voices. It's just my annoying sister. Okay, but today we're going to be playing with slime. So yeah, I'm going to just move this to someplace else. Lola,
Where's my money?
here.
Thank you.
So yeah, it's orange. I know it says two-toned. It's because I mixed them both together to make this beautiful orange. This is not a clear slime, but it's very fun to play with. Personally, I like clear slimes better, but it stretches a lot. Oh. Alright. It's really stretchy. I'm gonna attempt. Oh. Okay, I'm really bad at swirls. But the pops in this are amazing. What's your favorite part of slime? Mine is literally just stretching and poking. I mean, like, squishing it, it's okay. I really like the pops, too. The pops are amazing. But my favorite is stretching and poking. That is the literal best. Gonna try to make it swirl. Perfect! Yes! Like, I love making swirls. Sorry if I have, like, a Melby accent because I was watching America's Got Talent so much last night. I was binge watching. I can't help it, okay? I gotta turn this stupid thing off. Alright, let's make a swirl. Oh, that was a bad one. Hello. Disaster happening. Oh my god, no. So many noises. So many unnecessary noises. Guys, you gotta be quiet. If you don't know, come here. Jackson. Come here. Come here, Jackson. Come here, Jackson. Come here, Jackson. Well, come here.
No.
He's my brother. Little brother. Okay. This one is not too good with squishing. Like, if I squish it super hard, chances are it's gonna rip. Like, and it does not feel good. Ew. But the stretching and poking is amazing.
What?
Oh my god, so many unnecessary noises.
Bunnies. Money.
Ooh.
Money.
Can you hear the background noise? It's just money. But it does have a good clear side.
Yeah.
Clear slime is the best.
Money.
Great. With the pops. It's so amazing. Anyway, that's it for today. Bye, guys.